all, welcome to channel FreshQho. So today I'll be showing you guys how to prepare some shepherd's pie. Well, this is a traditional British dish that we South Africans have also adopted because of its yummy, scrumptious flavor. So basically, what shepherd's pie is just your normal ground lamb or beef, also commonly known as minced meat, that is cooked with vegetables and topped with fluffy mashed potato and baked in the oven. I added a bit of a twist to it, which is topping it up with some cheese. So the first step that I took was actually to chop up my onions. As you saw, I made it a medium size. You can also choose, I always say this, you can choose whether you like it super fine or chunky. And then I went on to peel my potatoes and slice them up. I choose to slice them because it makes it quicker for it to boil and get well done to be mashed. You can cube them. I've seen a lot of people also dice them up or have them in cubes. So now you fry your onions in vegetable oil. I'm using olive oil in this case, and I'm adding some crushed garlic and ginger. Doesn't have to have ginger, garlic is good enough. Also adding some stock, and then I'm adding my minced meat. Please take note that I didn't do this immediately. I waited for my onions and garlic to caramelize. So as soon as my beef has cooked through, I'm adding my tomato paste. And this is about a tablespoon. Now I'm adding some garden vegetables, the frozen ones. You can make yours freshly if you like, but I use the packaged ones. I've rinsed off my potatoes once they were cooked, completely cooked, and now I'm preparing for the mash. I'm adding some aromats. You can use any seasoning that you like, but I really enjoy my mash with some aromats. I didn't measure here because you actually have to use as much as you prefer. Because I've used 2 medium sliced potatoes, I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and then I'm just gonna mash everything up together. So I added a bit of milk just to make my mash a bit creamy and less dense. I'm grating up some cheddar cheese as well as some mozzarella that I'm going to use at the end. Now that everything has been prepared, I am scooping all my mince with veggies into a baking tray or a baking dish. So now I'm adding all that mashed potato onto my minced meat. Lastly, I am now adding my cheese onto that mashed potatoes, and I'm also going to add some sweet basil, dried sweet basil herb. can add your shepherd's pie into the oven on the grill option. You can let that grill for 10 minutes and you are done. Enjoy. Oh, let me just say, you can serve it with rice, you can have it on its own, and do add some sriracha sauce. You will thank me later.